The 2026 Mazda CX-5 is here, redesigned in Japan and heading to the United States soon. Mazda didn't want a full revolution. They wanted a smarter upgrade. Today, we're checking what they changed and if it's worth waiting for. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know if the new CX-5 should be on your shopping list. Let's start with the design. The new CX-5 takes a cleaner, premium approach. The grille is wider and lower. The headlights are slimmer, with a sharp LED signature that stands out. Lines on the side are simple but smooth. Nothing feels busy or loud. The rear has new taillights that stretch into the tailgate for a wider look. It feels more upscale than the older model. If Mazda wants to push toward luxury brands, this design supports that move. Inside, Mazda focused on comfort and calm. The dashboard is cleaner and less cluttered. The new infotainment screen sits higher, so you don't look away from the road. There are still physical buttons for climate and quick controls. Mazda knows drivers want something they can feel without tapping through menus. The seats are improved with softer padding. The steering wheel is all new. Materials feel richer. Even the base trim looks nice. Back seat space is good for adults, and the cargo area remains practical for families. Let's talk tech. You get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital gauge cluster, updated driver assistance, better cameras and sensors. A panoramic roof will be available, heated seats, and new ambient lighting to make night driving feel nicer. The CX-5 continues to be a car that feels more connected to the road than most SUVs. Mazda wants to keep that experience special. Mazda hasn't confirmed everything for the US yet, but here's what the industry expects. 2.5-liter gas engine stays, a mild hybrid option for better MPG, all-wheel drive available. Mazda knows the CX-5 needs to compete with hybrid rivals like the Toyota RAV4. We should see improvements in efficiency and smoother power delivery. Visibility is better with redesigned mirrors and cameras. Lane keeping and cruise control should feel more natural. The most important thing is still the way it drives. Mazda tunes their steering and suspension to feel controlled and confident. That's something many people love about the CX-5, and it doesn't look like that is changing. Prices will likely rise a little from the current model. Mazda is pushing the CX-5 into a more premium zone. Top trims may get close to luxury pricing. US launch timing expected sometime in 2026. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 keeps what works, upgrades what needed improvement, and looks more refined than ever. If you want a compact SUV that feels premium without going full luxury, this should stay high on your list. What do you think of the new design? Would you choose this over the RAV4 or CR-V? Thanks for watching. If you want more new car reviews like this, hit like and subscribe. Your support helps the channel grow.